Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device so the restore runs cleanly. Connect the iPhone to power and to your Mac or PC, and make sure iTunes or Finder is updated to the latest version. Once done, create a fresh backup to iCloud or locally. This preserves data if we need to erase. You do this now because restoring without a backup risks data loss. Finally, note any two-factor codes or passwords so you can sign back in after the system is rebuilt. Now you put the device into recovery mode and trigger the reinstall. Follow the model-specific force restart sequence, hold until the recovery screen appears, then use Finder or iTunes to choose Update, which reinstalls iOS without erasing. If Update fails or errors persist, select Restore to wipe and reinstall. Confirm that you understand this erases content. Monitor the download and installation. Make sure the cable stays connected and the computer stays away. After the reinstall completes, you restore your backup so settings and apps return. Choose your iCloud or Finder backup, then wait for apps and media to finish downloading. This can take time depending on size and network. Make sure you sign back into your Apple ID and re-enable Face ID, Apple Pay, and other services as required. If something goes wrong, if the device loops, stalls, or errors, retry recovery mode, use a different USB cable or port, or try another computer to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.